Welcome to the third sorrowful episode of Rosan's voice. Rosan slowly placed her painting hand on the abandoned dog and said, "Fate, I shall name you Fate, for you have given me fate." The dog licked Rosan's hand as if she was its owner. Rosan took the dog under a nearby tree as it was scorching hot. She looked around and saw a well not too far from where they were. Near it was an old, empty, sunburned, cold-drink can. She stood up in her sore state to pick up the can in order to fetch some water from the well. She did, but unfortunately the dog could not drink water from the can. So she poured water from the can to her hand. Unfortunately enough, the dog was able to drink water from her hand. Her eyes molded tears of joy when she saw the dog drinking from her hand. She suddenly recalled her ailing parents. Her happiness vanished instantly. She took Fate and ran bare in the scorching heat. All she wanted was to get to her parents as soon as possible. Her body was too weak and sore for her to run as fast as she desired. She started feeling lightheaded along the way and lost consciousness. Fate tried waking her up, but unfortunately, it did not succeed. It could only stand by her side, guarding her, in the hope that someone would come to rescue Rosan. Back at Rosan's home, her parents started worrying as they saw time pass by without Rosan reaching home. It was now almost morning. Rosan's mother was in tears thinking of all the wrong things that could have happened to a beautiful baby girl. Rosan's father was trying to calm her down in vain as she did not want to listen to anything or anyone. All she wanted was her precious Rosan. Only a mother's heart truly understands the amount of love and bond a mother shares with a child. "Rosan will be here any minute now. Stop stressing yourself, at least consider your health," said Rosan's father. "No, I know something bad has happened to my daughter. We need to help her, search for her, something," said Rosan's mother. "How will we search for our daughter? We can't even stand, never mind walking. We can only lay in bed and pray for our daughter's safe return," said Rosan's father. "Lay in bed and pray, but I'm going to search for my daughter. I don't care if I die searching. What I know is that dying will feel 10 times better than lying in bed knowing that my daughter's out there somewhere needing my help," said Rosan's mother. "Stop being stubborn, woman. Be realistic. We haven't even taken our medication due to hunger. We are extremely weak," said Rosan's father. "I will crawl to Rob's house if I have to," said Rosan's mother. "You will die even before reaching that door if you crawl in your condition. Stop being stubborn," said Rosan's father. Rosan's mother rolled out of bed, ignoring her husband and her weak health. She crawled in pain with only one motive: to bring Rosan home safe and sound. Will Rosan's mother die trying to save Rosan? What will happen to Rosan and Fate back in the farm? Will Rob and his family live a happy life as if nothing happened? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.